Ikago Smart Mug Warmer is the perfect winter gift or cozy item to keep your coffees and tea warm at home or at work. So it's got a temperature control area. You can see you can go anywhere from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 175, which will be piping hot. And then it comes with this mug. It's about a 15-ounce ceramic mug, plus comes with a lid and a coffee spoon. You can also use it with your own ceramic mug as well. You can see here, very easy to read screen. It will give you kind of a color coding to let you know when it is completely heat up. But keeps your coffee warm at your desk rather than having that annoyance of you reach for it and it's too hot, and then you reach for it and it's piping cold. Very kind of worry-free item too, because it does have a auto shut off if there's nothing in the heating area for about 15 minutes or inactive for 2 hours. Check it out.